Dr. Leah, a viewer says, I can't always go for round two right after we are done. What can I do so I can be ready to go with my partner?
Well, going for round two is a great idea, but unfortunately men have a refractory period, which is a certain amount of time after they ejaculate when you can't have another erection. It happens because your body is getting signals to relax and the dopamine and testosterone levels drop. Women have a much shorter refractory period or none at all. Some men have a short period, about a half an hour, while others may take a number of hours to be ready again. And age plays a role. Studies have found that teenagers can take only a few minutes to be ready, while men in their 30s and 40s can take significantly longer. There are things that you can try to shorten the time between round one and round two. Kegel exercises can strengthen the core and pelvic area and may help you in obtaining and maintaining an erection. You also want to avoid drinking alcohol right before sex. Try some new positions. Let your control and arousal prolong the time to ejaculation. Try some things to get you aroused again, like sharing your fantasies and have your partner share theirs, a little role playing, anything to really just get you in the mood.